sugod chapter pala sa maasin pala itong si Brother Joel. Happy Ramadan sa mga our Muslim brother and sister.
Ramadan pala kayo.
Oo, kasi yung Ramadan nagkasabay yung ano natin, yung Lent observation ba?
So, Assalamualaikum sa mga lahat ng mga kaibigan
Even the
natin
Muslim, we
Muslims.
cannot judge.
We will not
We
judge
cannot
them.
judge them.
We
Kasi
will
may
pray for
marami
them.
ding mga mabait na Muslim.
Even though that they have different version of Jesus Christ, but still, they belongs to the Abrahamic covenant
Yes.
kay Ishmael. Kaya we will never condemn, but we will pray for our brother Muslims. Marami na nga Muslim sa Iran nga, turn upside down yung Islam doon. Kasi ang itong mga Muslim dati ay nagkristyano na sila. Pero sige lang, at least tayo po, hindi po tayo nagja-judge sa kanila.
Kasi ang Catechism ng Catholic Church, the Muslims still are our brothers, no?
That's why we cannot say na sila po ay pupuntang impyerno. No. We will never do that. But instead, we have to love them and pray for our brothers and sister Muslim. Ang sa atin lang, mag-share tayo tungkol kay Kristo. Pero hindi po tayo nakipagdebate. Kasi ang sa atin po is to let them know, or dialogue lang. If they believe in us, that's fine. If not, well, walang problema yan. Basta sa atin, dialogue lang. Friendly dialogue.
Ito yung instruction sa Simbahang Katoliko, dialogue. So, according to Catechism, the Catholic Church 841, the Church's relationship with the Muslims. Ito, the plan of salvation also includes those who acknowledge the Creator.
Creator.
Oh, di ba? In the first place,